SSC JEE in last 10 days. There is a multiple ways for preparation, but one of the method I am telling here, see here. As the examination is in online mode, it is better to prepare the online test series. So online test series is the best method. In a specified time, allot some particular time for online test series daily and prepare accordingly and focus on wrongly answered questions related to the concept. Okay. So if the particular concept questions are became wrong, then focus on that particular topic and prepare well theory and problems on that topic, and then go for next test. Okay. And more focus on the previous papers. Most of the questions are repetitive in nature, so it is better to prepare the previous paper questions more and more. Okay. If you follow some test series like test book, Made Easy and Grade Up, there is a multiple test series online available, and you can opt any one of them and you can prepare. And reasoning is the more scoring section. You know that out of 50 questions you can almost get the 50. Okay, more than 45 you can get it, because most of the models are repetitive in nature. Same kind of model will be given in the exam. If you practice previous questions more number of times, you can get the more score in reasoning. Reasoning is the more scoring section. Okay. For general awareness, regarding general awareness, prepare last 6 months current affairs from YouTube channels. You may think that it may take more time for preparation, but if you follow this technique for YouTube channels, last 6 months, last 3 months best questions and last 3 months best questions, like that you can get the last 6 months current affair questions in multiple YouTube channels. You can get it, and you can prepare last 6 months current affairs from the YouTube channels. And if you have already prepared from the some materials, it will be easy for you for quick revision. Okay. And Lucent and Manohar Pandey is the best books for preparation. And for quick revision, Manohar Pandey short book will be there, and after preparation of that short book, you can prepare the bigger book will be there, some guide will be there. Accordingly, you can prepare Manohar Pandey. And Lucent also, more number of questions will be repetitive from this book also. Okay. And for technical section, 100 marks will be given, 100 questions will be given. And after completion of online mock test, refer wrongly answered topics. Very, very important, because a major topic is technical section. 100 questions from technical, 100 questions from non-technical. So after completion of online mock test, refer wrongly answered topics more and more number of times. Refer those topics and prepare for the next test. Okay. So prepare short notes for quick revision. This quick revision short notes will be very helpful before the exam. Okay. So follow these techniques, and preparation through the online test series is the best method before the exam. So for the last 10 days, it is suggestible. And if you already have the previous papers books, and you can prepare that one also and practice more number of times, because questions are repetitive in nature. And you can see one of the test series I am showing here. This is a textbook. Textbook is the website. Okay. From that website, you can see this SSC JEE electrical engineering 2020 test series. You can get it. And for this is for textbook. For Made Easy website also there is a for SSC JEE online test series. For Grade Up also it is there. Just I am showing roughly. Okay. For textbook online test series will be like this. Okay. There will be some number of tests will be there, and you can attempt the test, and you can analyze how many marks you are getting and where you are in competition also. You can know that. Okay. So main use of this is online test series is you can know where you are in the competition. So accordingly you can improve your preparation day by day. Okay. So it is better to prepare online test series. Okay. Made Easy is providing online test series for SSC JEE. Grade Up is providing. Textbook also providing. You can choose any one of them. Okay. And accordingly you can start your preparation. For last 10 days I am telling you. Okay. If you already prepared well from the books which you have previous questions in it, and it will be very useful before the exam. Okay. Topic wise you prepare, and keep the syllabus paper beside your preparation. Okay. On the table keep the syllabus of the SSC JEE. For each topic what is the weightage, just for you write there for each subject what is the weightage, and more number of questions are coming from which topic, you just focus on that. And regarding syllabus and weightage for each topic I have given in the previous videos, you can go through it. Okay. So this is regarding SSC JEE preparation in last 10 days. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.